Kani kadai kedarshan Meghalaya ban ngi pedeng sobhai phi barosh katup kubor mentaga janmet. Shaban pash ki kubor ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat makongsan. Haduk lai kundai ngut consultant bat rib kundai teli ki consultation company ki trekam ha Meghalaya ban bau menteri rawak kejelau kongra ki sama. Sarkar bat ke Airport Authority of India ban menteri kami kakak Ling Sun jong ke Baljek Airport. Ong usimbut menteri rangba ubak ngab halang dhar. On thau ke sarkar ke komiti ban bishal benya halor ke jingdawa ban thau ke winter capital Shatura. Ong menteri rangba ukan rat ke sangma. Bat anpa jing tho kan ne husu shau menteri katanat puli putih dawa ban penpau ye jing lap jong ke komiti ha ke paya dei bat kane hu ki khubor ki babnya menteri rangba ke jelau kan rat ke sangma ne kasngi ula pentep ha ka ying dorbar thau an ba ki don lai phukhandai ngot ki consultant ban riu phukhandai teli consultation company menteri rangba ula juba phalor ga jingkeli balawanra do MLA ka maulai uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang ha ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka ying dorbar thau an ke jela ke badang ya shakmat. Usang ma ula ong ba ya ka jing siu baro ke bala siu manla usnam omla bantip namar ka jing pair jong ka por siu ha pedeng kitanat bat ka jing he jong ka kam bat ka por jong ka project. Menteri rangba ula kedau bakat ba ka sarkar kadang trei ban penroi ya ki riu syampang. Hakatan kila penteri kami ki company ai jing mut ban pentikna ya ka jing penpoi ya ki kot kisla ha ka por ka bebiang bat ban laj na ka jing do ya ka jing mang pisa.
I would like to specifically know from the Honorable Chief Minister, like from his reply to the question A, with regards to individual consultant, there are 39 and consultancy firm 69. So may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, out of these consultants, whether individual or firm, how many are local and how many are from outside?
And based on the position and the responsibility that one works on, the payments and the salaries are there, whether you're from outside or whether you're from here, that is how it is. And for this, we have to prepare DPRs with so many technical specifications, which sometimes is beyond our officials also, and therefore we get the experts. We have to ensure that our own local boys and girls who are qualified are able to slowly or even quickly come up to that level where we are able to make the DPRs and projects at a level which is competing in the world standards and at the national standards.
Usimbut menteri rangba ubas ni bahalang dhar haba juba bigijing keli balawanra adu nongilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ke MLA ke TMC ke rupa marak ha ke bayadei bat ke jinglong jingman jong ke kat lingsut ke Baljek Airport hajengjal. Ulapan pau ba menta kani kakak Ling Sun kampat trekam setia. Ka sarkar kadang ya kren bat ke Airport Authority of India ban pelong ya ke ban trekam na ke benta ke Ling Sun ke bala ban kit khat khandai hadu at phangmut. Ulapan tip ba ka jinglut baro na ke benta ban penroi ya kakak Ling Sun hadu menta kasngi ke long lai klur san phonyau lang khandai phonyau hajar nyau spa nya pusan lingka. Ubat dhar ula batai ba ka jing penslam kadai namar ki babon ki daw haba jubat bi ka jing kli balawanra da UMLA ka TMC ubat Charles Pingrop menteri rangba ka jelau kan rat ke sangma ula ong ba udang budin shimet ya kani ka kam haki kerdan baper what happening ki katu ka ni kimat ki ba penslam ka sarkar ka shimkhya ban pentikna ya ka jing penhe ya ka umroi bat ka jing penya ya ki lingsun ramai.
So the main reason of delay is there's too many factors, so I will take little time to clarify properly on this because this issue is very, very important. Here side is the facts that the airport was inaugurated on 2008, 23 October. And from that time, after the inauguration of the airport is non-operational till today. And one of the main reasons was that because the reason was due to the lack of airline operator because no one shown their interest to operate with the smaller aircraft. That is point number one.
The viability of landing larger aircrafts will be possible because we are talking about a project which will last more than 50 years. So if you look forward, probably the necessity of having a larger aircraft landing in Baljik will be necessary. So will the government look into the matter and have it examined in the first instance so that we won't have a repetition of what is happening in Roisa?
Very strong message to the House that we are very committed to this airport. We will ensure that both Umroi, the expansion takes place, commercial planes land, and we will also ensure that flights start operating from Baljik Airport. So this commitment we are making, we are very sure, we are working very hard on this. We're not talking about it too much.
Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ubah Kermen Shilla haba juba pi gejingkli balawan ra do MLA Kamaring Keneng ubah Havingstone Karpran hag baya day berkejing yarap pisa shikilong yeng gi bala syakta hak kejing dia peluk ding ula pentep hak yeng dorbar ba kejing yarap pisa ke belong mar shilak lai pau hajar tingka shaki arteli kilong yeng gi ba syakta ula pen pauru bahak East KHASI Hills na do usnam arhaja arpaulai hadu arhaja arpausau kajing mang pisa barok kalong sa punyau lang arpausan hajar la pelai syakilai pawai teli kilong yeng ki basyakta hakijing ja basngausi bat arpau khandai lak khat khandai hajar khandai spa na kebenta arpau khandai ngut hausnam arhaja arpausau hadu arhaja arpausan uba syilla ula pensyai ba ketenat ka ai pisa katkum ki kendon jong ka SDRF bat ka sarkar kalak menkentiu ya ka pisa la dadon kam.
East KHASI Hills, sir, I have here the number for 2023-24, 31 with the amount of 47,25,000 and 24-25, 29 with the amount of 29,19,900. We from the department, we release the fund as per the SDRF norms, sir, so we cannot go beyond that. If the government would like to extend the support, and we do have the MLAs fund, so as RWP, so that up to the wisdom of the MLAs, they can do aspect.
Kasorkar jala kalarai ban penlong ya kajingnya selok kebabenia halor kajingmut ban seng ya ke winter capital Chatura. Menteri Rangba ke jela ukan rat sama ulaong ba kasorkar kan sapenya soalang ya barok kinong yalam seng ain perthei. Bat kinong yishim benta ban ya kran halor kan ikakam. Shushu ula pentep ba kasorkar kan sathau ya ke komiti ban bishar benya halor kan ikakam. Menteri Rangba ulaong balada kani kajing ai jingmut ka urlong ya ke executive wing barok kawai on sapen kenria Chatura. Na ke benta katu kat nipor bat wat ke jingyalang dorbar thau ain ru kinlong ha katai ke jaka. Ya kani kamat layak keren ru hapok kaying dorbar hagas ngi palay hakba unong yalam kaliang persya umukul sangma ulawan ra ya ke resolution hapok kaying dorbar.
Administrative complex. The resolution was withdrawn, which we requested, of course, and we will go ahead with the constitution of a committee. We will involve all party leaders in it and some stakeholders, and we will do extensive consultation with the community at large, different NGOs, organizations, and see how to take it forward. When we say winter capital, technically it means that that definitely the entire executive wing will be shifted for a certain period, and the assembly sessions will be held in that area. So there are multiple aspects, mainly these two.
Kabenta kabaar jong kasurok rambrai kirshai chegaun kadang sakut haduk menta. Klem da dondak AA ban sedang ya kacing pentre haduk menta. Watla kabenta kabeningkong ladap ban pentre haduk kasnau mautir. Hakabaya day bat kani gajing penslem na kaliang jong ka Federation of KHASI Jaintia and Garo People Rambrai Circle. Kalaya kendo yu Deputy Commissioner ka West KHASI Hills nin kasngi ban wat jingtip halor ka jinglong jingman jong kani ka project. Nakaliang Presiden Kasenjuk u Jistalan Lingkhoy ulaong ba kabenta ka baar jong kasurok kadang sakut haduk menta namar ka jing bompat don ka jing mang pisa. Ula kentui ka sarkar bakan mang pisa thamai kanang ba onla ban sedang ya ka jing tre ya kabenta ka badang sa jong ka te kasurok.
Nakaliang jong ikasem isu kentu nakaliang jong Deputy Commissioner ban angkat ka sarkar ba kidai ban Taulat kumno ban pendap ya ketika projek namar bamenta ketika surok kadang sak tang live 1 kilometer tek badang sak pat bahadum tang isu tu ba nakliang disi ulah kransyai ba kampadon ai haduk menta
Kinong yalam shnong namau et kiba ha West KHASI Hills District ringkat kinong tray kamau at PHC ki samla bat kinong shong jong katay katan kilawan kieu sya shilong hinin ga janmit ban persya ya karai jong ka Karuna Trust ban penken riak kam no ya wei u doktor bat wei unang pej ha katay ka PHC ya kani ka kenhon la sinran lang do MLA kamau shinrod uba Methodius Dakar kilalej banyak kendo ya Health Secretary Ram Kumar bat kiwei ki he sarkar banyak keren halor kene gajing longjing man ha kene gajing ya kendo la pentikna ba ka Karuna Trust ka seng 3 months ngobha ka ba pet ya gajing penya ya ka PHC kala thung yu doktor ba nong pet ba thamai ban bujli ya ki breu bala sha be akam hadu menta 4 syam lala ban tip ya ka daw tenrai jong gajing sha wengkam
nagaliang jong government but nagaliang jong naga board nya jong naga PHC ke lengba naga corona Trust lada kimla ban sim khia kimla ban le kloi no một cái jing dunong ngis ngotu ba kadai habdang kadai yang ngi kum ki pai ba nong song jong naga dong bat ka thai ma ha ga mo area hi ke PHC ke don tang naga mo tang kan hi ke we
ha kan ni ka por ka ba ki yakhi ki ni Aisha ba di yakhi ki ni staff ba di kemud ba nging tip ya ka daw ka daw ka ba maki ki ya tengko ngimla bantip ya kata mereka kanjir minta kalau baki weng no yo doktor majinda de kajing weng no yo kalau kajing du no ka krau hoi kajing sekri jong u ka kala yai betul ki usted nganum penya kata ka ki re ya kajing penyai kam jong ka corona Trust Committee ngimla bantip ya ki rukom ki jing penyajong ki nginam la bantu klar ya ka jing penyajong ki
ka North Eastern Hills University Students Union lane ka nehusu kalapan skambyang ya ka jing penki jong ki samla pulie da ka bakken tho halor ka jing pen bana jong Vice Chancellor ka school ba u PS Shukla ba persyang banwan shimti byang ya ka kam ba ubat General Secretary ka nehusu u Tony Ho Karsati ula batai ya ka jing persyang jong Vice Chancellor ba layatho kum ki buj ban penthot ya ka bha ka miat jong ka school ba ula pen paru ya ka jing sngo si halor ka jing bom shim khya jong ka tanat puli puthi ka ni husu dangshan kala pha shiti shu menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar pedeng udharmendra pradhan dakaba kentu ya ka tanat ban pen pau ya ka jing lap jong ka committee halor ka ne ka mat jong ka ne hu bat ban shim khya
To give you the brief facts of university, since his removal or since he himself has gone for this leave, our whole university was in a very peaceful state of mind. Even now also our university is functioning normally. The exams are going on. However, with this kind of tactics, cheap tactics so to say, if I may be precise, that Professor PS Shukla is using, it's not only hampering the students, it is also hampering the overall administration of our university. We have been requesting every now and then with a very humble request to the state government as well as to the ministry to take some proactive steps.
Ka-Office jong katanat District Disaster Management Authority West Giant Hills District haringkat kajing snok tilang bat kinong mi khamat nakatanat Fire and Emergency Services Office jong u Superintendent of Police Civil Defence and District Medical and Health Officer Juwai menha kasngi balang jong katayaw kila pelong ya kajing ai jing hikai bat ka mock drill ha MCH Hospital kabadon chi spatli kijing thia ha panaliar Juwai halor kijing penkre lada wan kijing lin shop kamaryang ka District Disaster Management Officer ikong dari lingdo ila ong ba kajing temu ban pelong ya kani ka program kalong ban kintiw i kijing penkre lada don kum kinu kijing shat lin shop bat kajing la ban ai jing erap ka bakirki ha padeng kinong tray jong ka hospital kajing ya terba katnyaw ha padeng ka India ba Japan halor ka yo ka kot ka India la penyat lang da ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences CAU Impal ka Indian Society of Agricultural Economics Mumbai ka Kobe University Japan ka Center for International Projects Trust New Delhi bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya nen gaski kani ka program yathir ka ailar iki samla puli ka India kinong thawan ki he officer ka sarkar bat ki riu shampang hakikar khana panya kren bat ki riu ngut kinong mi khmat nakari Japan nakabenta ki jingetre lang hadien habot hakabaya day bat ka rap karyang bat ki wei ki kam ki ban kentiyo ya ka roi ka par hajala Meghalaya haringkat lang bat baro ka wei kari ka District Legal Services Authority Ribhai District lambat kanong po area Women Welfare Association gila rakhe ya ka International Women's Day da ka jingpenlong ya ka program ha community hall saje nongpo. Kani ka program ka pai khmat ban pensa priang jingtep halor ki an ba pher khamtam ki tu ki an ki batmu ban pen kop bor ki kin thai. Mentang ini pek ya kajing long juman ka soim neng hatura. Kajing kreat kalong ka nyo degree Celsius ber kajing shet kalong lai pawai degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong arpo saw nak shi spa. Haba pai pat shenong ba shelong kajing kreat kalong pra degree Celsius ber kajing shet kalong khat khandai point khandai degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong riu pau nak shi spa. Kat bah jo wai pan kajing kreat kalong khat wei degree Celsius ber kajing shet kalong arpo a degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong arpo pra nak shi spa. Kasuin beneng kan rang haki babon ki jaka hatura juwai bar hasilok. Shoban poi shu bakut jong katup kubon ni pek biang sa sisi ni kimat bakongsan. Hado live kendai ngut ki consultant ban riu kendai teli ki consultation company ki treikam ha MEGHALAYA ben pau mitri rang ba ke jalau kan rat ke sama. Yang merjing mut ke Sarkar berke Airport Authority of India ban penteri kami ke kat Lingsun Jong ke Baljek Project Airport. Ong usembut Menteri Rangba Ubas Nyau Bhalang Thar. Antau ke Sarkar ke komiti ban bishar benia halor ke jingdawa ban tau ke winter capital Chatura. Ong Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma. Bat on pak jikto kan husu syok menteri ke sanak kulit putih dawa ban penpau yang jinglap jangka komiti hak bedai bat kaneho. Tepalok atung ila poisy bekut cokatup kubo jungi mata ka janmen hadu bangin syam biang bat pila syai ke singi kublai pi baro.